Good morning, student. Welcome to all of you in your online biology classes. Today, student, I will explain some rest question of chapter number 8. So, all of you open chapter number 8, the plant growth and survival. The plant growth and survival. So, all of you get ready to attend the online classes. Okay, open the exercise of section 6 of chapter number 8. All of you open. Okay, student, I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question answer. Today is 14th of December 2020. Class 4th. Subject Science. Today's topic exercises of chapter 8, section 6, question answer number 3rd and their answer. Student, I am not going to write down the question. I will explain only the answer, but I am going to read the question. So all of you get ready with pen and your classwork copy. Okay, leave the question, you will write down in your free time. How does a cactus survive in desert? How does a cactus survive in desert? You know, student, cactus are generally found in the desert area where there is no more water, scarcity of water throughout the year. So this answer question given on page number 83. Write down cactus. A cactus survive in desert. The cactus survive in desert. DESERTS. Okay. By DEVE, yellow, developed following features. Number 1, leaves are normally small and reduced to spines. That helps to reduce water loss from the plant. Student, write down answer. Second, they have long roots. By penetrating deep under the ground. Long roots. And in order to get water and get water from deep under the they have long roots and get water from deep under the ground. Third, they have fleshy stem. Okay. They have fleshy stem. They have thick and fleshy stem. That store water for using photosynthesis. Okay, don't make the long sentence because photosynthesis is the making the food, their food. means they have thick and fleshy stem that store water are using in photosynthesis. Write down. The next question is, give the 3 uses of plants of grass family. 3 uses of plant of grass family are as follows. I think you are all written the section of first and second. I am going to erase this. Question number 4 and answer. Give 3 uses of plant of grass family. 3 uses of plants of grass family are as follows. Number 1, used as cereal, used as cereal, cereals. Example, corn, wheat, barley, oat. Corn, wheat, barley, rice. Millets, oat, and millets. Millet. Second, used in the decorated as lawn grass. Used in decorated. Used in decorated, decorated as lawn grass. Used as cereal. Example. Used in decorated as lawn grass on sport field and area around a building. And third, used for fencing. FENCING, making furniture. FURNITURE, furniture. FURNITURE and paper. And paper. Okay. Okay. Bamboo used. You can use BAMBO, bamboo, grass used write down BAMBOO, bamboo grass used for fencing, making furniture and paper. You can write down only bamboo used for fencing. Okay, write down used for making fencing. Okay, you can write down bold for making. You can for making for make fencing okay fencing making furniture Okay student, I think you are all written this, the question answer number 4. The 3 uses of pencil. Also given in the your page number 86. Write down any 3 point in your own words. Okay? Thank you. Write down. In what other ways do plants adapt to their surrounding? But student, I am going to leave your class. My time is going to over. I will explain this question in your next online class. And student, there is a activity given in the page number 90. See the following pictures and complete the given table once has been done for you. So try to do this in your classwork copy. Lotus, this is habitat water and adaptive features, broad leaves with waxy coating. So all of you do complete this in your textbook. I will explain it in your next online class. Thank you students. Have a nice day. But write down today's homework. Write and learn today's exercise of chapter 8 in your notebook. Okay? Write down student. Mention the date in your diary and write down today's homework and learn. Student, I will send you a message to submitted your science copy for correction work from chapter 1 to chapter 7. Okay? From chapter 1 to chapter 7 only. Okay? Now, the next exercise of chapter 8 and the next upcoming exercises you will write down in your any other copies, because I will give you after 1 week 10 days what times are taken by the correction work. So you will not pause your exercises. You will write down continuously in your any copy. Okay? In classwork copy. Thank you student. Have a nice day.